Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our third exercise of the series. So our third exercise is related to the if-else statement. Like we'll learn about the if-else statement, the conditional statement in this video. So here is our question, that is, write a program that asks the user for the number and then print whether the number is even or odd. So this is going to be a mathematical exercise. So in this exercise, we have to use the if-else statement. So before writing the solution, let's see what is if-else statement in Python. The if-else statement is a control flow statement that allows you to specify a block of code to be executed if a certain condition is true, and a different block of code to be executed if the condition is false. So we will implement this if-else statement or the conditions in a practical. So let's click on the Explorer and we'll write our file, that is even odd number.py, that is Python extension. Okay, we can use comment, okay, with the help of this hash. So this particular line of code will not be executed because we have commented. So let's write the variable name, that is number equal to, we'll use the input function to ask the user enter a number. We'll use the if statement. If number, we'll use the modulo sign, is divided by 2 and equal to 0, and we have to use the colon. Enter. Print the number is even, else print the number is odd. So what we are doing first, we are asking the number from the user. Okay, this is the condition we are applying. If the number is divided by 2 and equal to 0, that means the number is even, else the number is odd. Okay, let's save the program and run the code. Enter a number, let's say 5. Okay, so we are getting the error, not all arguments converted during the string formatting. So basically this input function is a built-in function, okay, and it always return a string. So for taking integer input, we have to typecast those inputs into integer by using the Python built-in function, that is int. So this is how we can use the int function with input function. Okay, let's run the code. Number is 7. Okay, the number is odd, it's working. 2, the number is even. Let's try 10, the number is even. So our program is working fine. So we have completed our third exercise of this series. So let's see our next question. Okay, so here is our 3.1 exercise, that is, create a program that asks the user to enter their age and then print you are an adult if the age is 18 or over and you are a minor otherwise. So let's solve this exercise. Go to the Explorer, create a new file, 3.1 checking age.py, that is py for Python extension. Okay, let me close this. Okay, let's write the comment. So let's say the variable name as age equal to, we'll use the input function, enter the age. Okay, but we know we have to typecast this, so we'll use, because age will be in the numbers, so for that matter we have to use the int function, int. So we'll not get any error. If age is greater than or equal to 18, so we'll write print you are an adult, you are an adult, else print you are minor. So we are using this particular condition here. If the age is greater than and equal to 18, then print you are an adult, else you are a minor. So let me save the code and let's run the code. Enter the age. So I will say 20. You are an adult. Okay, let's change it to 14 years old. You are a minor. So our program is working. If I say 25, you are an adult. Great. So let's see our next question. Write a program that asks the user to enter a number and then prints the number is positive if the number is positive and the number is negative otherwise. So let's solve the exercise. Okay, let me close this program and we'll go to the Explorer and we'll write 3.2 exercise. Check the number is positive or negative. So let's use the number as a variable. We'll use float this time. Okay, instead of integer we'll use float. Input, enter the number. If number is greater than 0, so print the number is positive, else print the number is negative. Let's save the file and run the code. Let's write 14. The number is positive. Let's run the program again. This time we'll say -5. The number is negative. -90. The number is negative. -5, the number is negative. 14, the number is positive. Great. So we have completed our second exercise. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues who wants to learn Python. If they are beginners, then please share these tutorials with them. And make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.